Inherited a SYT file from a colleague's old statistical analysis project. This is data from SYSTAT, a long-running statistical software package. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these SYSTAT statistical data files. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep SYT file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. An SYT file is a data file created by SYSTAT, a comprehensive statistical analysis and graphics software package. Researchers, engineers, and statisticians use this format to store datasets, variables, and results for complex statistical modeling, data visualization, and scientific research. The SYT format is a proprietary binary structure optimized for handling large and complex numerical datasets efficiently. It is designed to store not just the raw data, but also metadata, such as variable names, labels, and data types, ensuring data integrity and facilitating seamless analysis within the SYSTAT environment. The ideal software for creation and opening of SYT is SYSTAT from SYSTAT software. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows lacks full understanding of custom data formats, so proper reading requires dedicated tools. Let's start the diagnostic. Right-click the SYT file and select Open With. Test SYSTAT if it appears. You may need to systematically try a few applications. If the SYT file is still giving you trouble, relax. We've got this under control. If the SYT file is still closed, it's one of three basic reasons. Here's a list with the common problems and how to check each one. First, opening in SYSTAT. Install SYSTAT Statistical software currently distributed by Crane Software International. Launch SYSTAT and use File then Open Data to load the SYT file. The data editor displays variables and cases ready for statistical analysis through SYSTAT's menu-driven interface or command language for descriptive, inferential, and multivariate statistics. Next, converting with stat transfer. Use stat transfer software, which specializes in converting between statistical data formats. Open Stat Transfer, select SYT as input format, and choose your target format, like SPSS, SAV, Stata, DTA, or CSV. The conversion preserves variable labels, value labels, and missing data conventions, enabling continued analysis in your preferred statistical package. Finally, importing to R or Python. Use the foreign or Haven packages in R for reading older statistical formats. Python users can leverage pandas with appropriate engine specifications. If direct SYT support is unavailable, convert to CSV first using SYSTAT or stat transfer, then load the CSV in RPython or any modern data analysis environment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.